Hello traders, you can download a free Forex robot for MT4 and MT5 that has lots of indicators and candlestick patterns built in by using the link in the description below. So right here, I am looking at the MQL5 Marketplace page for the AW Gold Trend Trading EA, and I can see that this is an MT4 and MT5 expert advisor developed by AW Trading Software Limited. It's currently priced at around 295 US dollars with a monthly rental option as well available at 95 US dollars. So I'm just taking a moment to see how it is positioned on the marketplace. Now, from the description, this EA is built as a fully automated trend following system, and it is designed to work across multiple instruments and time frames. Now, the main focus here is on trend filtering combined with oscillator-based signals, which is used to decide when entries are valid. Scrolling through the details, I can see that the EA uses a combination of trend indicators and oscillators to filter market direction. The idea seems to be that trades are only triggered when multiple conditions align, which helps reduce weaker or low quality signals during sideways movement. Now, another key part of the system is the averaging mechanism. From what is described, when price moves against the initial direction, the EA can add additional positions in a structured way with grid spacing and volume scaling controlled through settings. So position sizing and spacing are clearly important parts of how this system manages trades. There are also several protection settings built in, such as limits on spread, slippage, maximum number of orders, and per trade volume caps. These are typically used to keep execution under control, especially during volatile market conditions or poor liquidity. I also noticed there are notification features included, which means the EA can send alerts, emails, or mobile push notifications when trades are closed. So that is useful for monitoring activity without constantly watching the chart. Okay, so now moving into the back testing, I would be focusing on how the trend filter behaves across different market phases, especially how it handles transitions between trending and ranging conditions. I'd also like to pay attention to how the averaging system reacts when price moves against the initial position. From what we can see here, according to the image displayed here, over 21 weeks, the EA seemed to have made over 430%, precisely 435.48% growth. And all right, we're just going to head over to our strategy tester now so we can actually test the EA and see how it performed. We are testing the AW Gold Trading EA on Euro USD on the H1 time frame, and we are back testing over about 5 months and a week from the beginning of this year, 2026. And for the delays, we are using the last ping to the server, and of course, we are using the every tick modeling. Now, from an initial deposit of $100,000, we have a total net profit of negative $14.08. And the total trades taken, we are 26. Short trades, we are 13 with a 61.54% win rate. Long trades, we are 13 with a 69.23% win rate. And the largest profit taken was 10.98, and the largest loss was 11.97. Average profit $2.08, average loss $5.49. So based on the average profit and average loss, it shows that the average risk to reward ratio is bad, right? And then the win rate is not even good enough. Okay, so I'm not surprised to see a total net profit in the negative, even though that is very little compared to the initial deposit. All right, now let's just quickly go over to the chart history. So we can see that this EA seems to take its time when it's looking for opportunities in the market, but then there was an opportunity here. You can see a sell trade executed here and closed here, and we also have quite a a number of trades here. All right, so we have a buy trade executed here. Okay, this seemed to be a losing one, and then we seem to have a sell trade that was executed here and closed somewhere around this point, with a couple of other buy trades that were executed and then closed in loss around this point. So the EA can accumulate trades, or rather can stack trades, okay, based on the structure that we saw here. So it is also worth testing over a longer historical period to get a more complete view of how the strategy behaves in different market environments. We can see that I ran the test over just about 5 months, but I would recommend, if you are really interested in this EA, that you run it over about a year or 2 years or even more, so you can be able to get more data for the back testing to cover more market conditions. All right, since trend-based systems can perform very differently depending on conditions. But now, from a strategy perspective, what stands out is the combination of trend confirmation. Let's just quickly look at the EA in action. I'm going to turn on the visual mode right away. All right, so like I said, what stands out is the combination of trend confirmation using oscillators followed by a structured averaging system that manages exposure as price moves. The grid spacing and multiplier settings will directly influence how aggressively positions build up. So here we can see trend showing the prevailing trend, and then oscillator, whether it's overbought, oversold, or whatever, neutral. Here we can also see the close buttons here: all buy, all sell, low high, lowest, highest, and then the drawdown in percentage, the spread, and then in deals. Okay, and this is for open buy, open sell. All right, and then here we have the start balance, the current equity, and the current balance. All right, so overall, the historical backtest results will need to be evaluated carefully, especially in terms of drawdown behavior and how consistent the system is across different market cycles. Like with most automated systems, performance can vary depending on risk settings, broker execution, and market conditions. So it is something that really benefits from forward testing and optimization. So if you found any value in this video, or if you learned something new, don't forget to like, subscribe, and turn on your notifications so that you don't miss out on more valuable trading content like this. In the meantime, thank you for watching, and I look forward to seeing you in the next video. Happy trading.